This is Chehek. Welcome to Study with Chehek. Today we're going to start with the first chapter, that's tracing changes through a thousands of a year. So here I was having a map, but it's not here because of some technical problem. There were some problems, so it is not over here. But you will be having the books if you want. It's generally if you want this page, this map, you can comment me. But see, we're going to start the chapter very fastly because we don't want to waste our time. Okay. Now here there is a two comparison of map 1 and with map 2, which were made by the different people. Means that was made by the different people, but they are the same maps. ठीक है, जो हमारे जो मैप्स दिए हैं, दे बोथ आर दी सेम मैप्स, बट दे आर मेड बाय दी different peoples. They are different cartographers. ठीक है, अब you will ask them what is cartographer. Cartographer is a person. It is written over here. Let me show you. It's written over here. Read this part also, it's very important. Cartographer is a person who makes the map. What is cartographer? Cartographer is a person who makes the map. And what is cartography? The science. Okay, the science of making map is called cartographer. Cartography. Okay, you should note it down. The science of making maps. Okay, science of making map is called cartography, which is made by the cartographer. Let's come to the topic now. There are the two maps. Okay, there are two maps made by different people. Not different people, different person. So its first map will say see, it is made in 1154 CE by a Arab geographer Al-Idrisi. Okay, by Al-Idrisi, Arab geographer. And the next map, which is made by the French cartographer. Okay, first is Arab geographer Al-Idrisi, and the next is the 1720s by a French cartographer. The name is not mentioned over here. The two maps are quite different, even though they are the same area. They are in the same area, but they are like these are the like this is a map and this is of same area, but this is made with the time. Okay, when the time was passed, that was made. When time was there, then that was made. Okay, the time means time is increasing, and here the time thing is given that in you can see in 1154 CE, and you can see in 1720s by a French cartographer. The map has the difference. Yes, the map has the difference. Now see, it has been telling about the same thing, that is in Al-Idrisi's map, what is showing there? There is South India. Next map is made by the French cartographer. Yes, so these are the two maps different, but in Al-Idrisi's map, what it is showing, South India is where we would accept to find the North India, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. Place names are marked in Arabic. Yes, नाउ सी दीज आर बीइंग एक्सेप्टेड. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो एक्सेप्शन है यहाँ पर वो कहीं पे कहीं का है और कहीं पर कहीं का है. मीन्स जहाँ पर नॉर्थ इंडिया होना चाहिए वहाँ पर श्रीलंका एट द आइलैंड टॉप हो गया. प्लेस नेम्स आर मार्क्ड इन अरेबिक. अरेबिक में सारे नेम्स मार्क्ड हैं. तो दैट इज बी अरब जोग्राफर. मतलब अरब है, अरब से है तो किससे? अरब से है ना, तो अरेबिक ही होगा. एंड द फ्रेंच है तो फ्रेंच में ही होगा. यस. Now moving to the next page, that's map 2. You can see this map, that's map 2 made by a French cartographer. This is made by a French, and last time which I have shown the map, that was made by the Arab cartographer. Now it is saying that we are seeing this French map, and that when we have seen the Arabic one, that was mapped with Arabic, and there are some well-known names like Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh, spelled in map as Kunnauj. Now there the name was different there. Kannauj से Kunnauj हो गया. Map 2 were made nearly 6000 of the map 1. 600 years के बाद जो वो map 1 था उसके बाद वो बना है. Somewhat it was nearly वो कब बना है? 600 years passed after the map 1 के बाद ही बना है. Now see, Now you can see it spelt in the map. This is very important. Spelt in the map as Kunnauj. The name was different over here in the. Yes, I need to tell you that cartographer and cartography. This was also in the chapter maps in class 6 also. So you should go, and I'm gonna post definitely a video on that. Okay. Now see, after 6,000 years, 600 years, that was made. Now these maps are used when we can say they are familiar to the coastal areas. जैसे कि जो यहाँ पे coastal areas दिखा रखे हैं वो इनके लिए बहुत familiar. That is shown very surprisingly, very shown in very detailed manner. Yes, and these maps were used when these maps are used in the voyages, means when they travel and see the voyages. They used to actually have the merchants, European sailors. So they usually na go and they used to express these things. Those they used to say, and in chapter 6 we're gonna study more about this. Okay. So thank you friends, and we're gonna have the next part with the other topics, that's new and old terminologies, historians and their sources, yes, and new social and political groups. Second part will be on this, and I hope you loved our video. So bye, and learn the chapter properly, see the chapters whatever I've taught in the next videos after this. Thank you.